Hello everyone, today I brought you a nice geometry problem. Here we have a square with the area of 27 square units, and on top of that there is another square with the area of 12 square units, and on top of that there is another smaller square with the area of 3 square units. The area of this square is 12 square units and the larger yellow square is placed like this, and we have to find the area of this yellow square. Let's solve this problem in 3, 2, 1. First, I am going to mark these points A, B, C and D, and this is E, this is F and this is G. Alright, since we know the area of these squares, we can start finding the side length of each square. But we'll end up with root numbers because these are not perfect square numbers. Here we can see all these numbers are divisible by 3. So I'm going to reduce the scale of this entire setup by 3 times. So this 3 becomes 1, 12 becomes 4 and 27 becomes 9, and this is also 4. Now we have nice square numbers, so the side length of this square is 1, side length of this square is 2, and for this square it's 3. And the side length of this square is also 2. Our target is to find the area of this yellow square. For that, we should find the side length of this square. For example, if we know the length of BC, we can find the area. Now I am going to draw a perpendicular line from B to this line like this. And I mark this point as H. And now we have a right angle triangle BHC. We know the length BH because it equals to 3 plus 2 plus 1, which equals to 6 units. So if we can find this length HC, we can find the length BC by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now, how can we find the length HC? If you look carefully, you will see we know this length, which is 2 units, and we know this length 3 minus 2, which equals to 1 unit. Also we can see the EF and BC has the same slope. The slope of EF equal EG by FG, which equals 2 by 1 is 2. So the slope of BC is also 2. Slope of BC equals BH by CH. We already know BH is 6 units, so CH equals 6 by 2, which equals to 3 units. Now, using the Pythagoras theorem, to the right angle triangle BHC, we get BC squared, which is also the area of this yellow square, equals to BH squared plus CH squared, which equals to 6 squared plus 3 squared. 6 squared is 36 and 3 squared is 9, so we get 45 square units. Now, don't forget we reduced our entire setup by 3 times, so we have to multiply 45 by 3 times to get this setup back to normal. So the area of this yellow square is 45 times 3, which equals to 135 square units. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and see you in the next video.